Cryptography is a major part of what makes any cryptocurrency or blockchain secure. The word cryptography is actually derived from the Greek words kryptos, which means hidden secret, and graphene, which means writing some cryptography that you may be familiar with is where you write a letter to a friend but you shift every letter in the alphabet down one. So if you write a B it stands for or if you write a C it stands for B to the average person. This looks like nonsense and they can't read it, but since you already told your friend how to read your letter they should easily be able to understand it. The goal is to make sure that only the person the message was intended for can read it. If a nosy mailman wants to read your private letter, he won't know how to decipher what you wrote. Cryptography, in regards to computers and cryptocurrencies, is basically this on steroids. Pretty much every website that you go to is encrypting your data so that no one can intercept it and steal your personal information or credit card number. Only the person with the key can access it. Concerning cryptocurrencies, cryptography is used to make sure that transactions can be secure and trustless, meaning no third party like a bank is needed to conduct a transaction.